Welcome, collectors, and thank you once again for joining me for another episode of Diecast Emporium. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing First Gear's 1/50th scale Ford Super Duty F-250 crew cab pickup truck. Couple points I want to address up front first before we begin this video. Number one, this truck has been out for over a year, and although there are a couple reviews already up on YouTube, I really had no intention of obtaining this model. However, one of these was gifted to me very recently, so I figured I would go ahead and film a review for you. Point number two is, I know many of you may be coming into this video wanting a straight-up comparison between this F-250 by First Gear and the Sword F-250s that were released a handful of years ago. To maintain neutrality between the two companies, I'm not going to do a comparison between the two. Honestly, in my opinion, I don't believe, A, it would be fair, and B, it would be comparing apples to oranges. So, in effect, you can have your own comparison between the two. If you check out the link at top of the screen right now, that will be a suggested click for you to head on over to my Sword review of the F-250s that were filmed when those first came out. Again, you can click on that right now, or at the end of the video, you can watch that, come back and watch this video, or vice versa, and effectively that could be your very own compare and contrast. But again, bear in mind that these were made at two very, very different price points, and they are two different generations of the Ford F-250 truck. So that difference alone is something to keep in mind. Okay, so with that full transparency up front, isn't it nice when there's actually somebody in any kind of media that isn't skewed one way or another? Okay, back to the model. All right, so again, 1/50 scale Ford Super Duty F-250 crew cab. When this came out, it initially was paired with a tag-along trailer, at least the white version was. And very recently, again, I guess my understanding was this was on the First Gear website for their Cyber Monday or Cyber Week sale at a very discounted price. And somebody, again, a good friend of mine, gifted this to me for the sake of the video review. There was a white version available, a blue jeans blue, I guess was the color, obviously the race red, which is this version, and I may be missing a couple other ones. The trailer obviously was also on sale separately, but that quickly sold out. At least that is my understanding. But let's take a look at the box. This style of packaging is something I've really always been a fan of. If for no other reason, if you were to go into your favorite hobby dealer or hobby store and pick this off the shelf, this really allows you to look at the model before you purchase it, just to make sure that maybe there's no damage that would have occurred when, it was shipped to the store, or, maybe it was picked up by another customer and slammed back down or whatever. It just allows you to check out the model before you make that purchase or make that investment. That way, before you go home, you make sure that there's nothing wrong with it. The right side has the First Gear logo, as does the left side. Underneath, this is all relevant and important information. Here you have the Scan to Win Ford logo there. This is the model number. Again, it also differentiates what color model is inside. Obviously, this is the race red version. 50-3419 is the product code. Here's all First Gear's information, including their social platforms and their registered trademarks. With that out of the way, what do you say we unbox this and take a closer look at it? So, again, this truck, been out for over a year, and the white set came with a tag-along trailer, which I don't know, maybe at some point if somebody wants to gift that for review, or maybe if I find one on sale or something, I might pick one of those up. But there's the truck. As you can see, the color is very vibrant and very striking in red. We'll take a look at the front first. Here you can see the front-facing license plate actually reads Race Red. You can see the blue oval for Ford in the chrome grille, Super Duty on the hood. Up here you have your running lights, and obviously you may not be able to see this because my phone is less than spectacular, but the interior of these trucks are pretty detailed out. That is a little bit better view. You can see the instrumentation over here, the details on the steering wheel. The rear view mirror has a reflective surface on it. There's no steering, and I'll tell you this right now, the doors do not open, which again is a bit of a disappointment. Turning around, you have the Ford logo and Super Duty on the tailgate and race red. There's also the trailer hitch here so that you can hook the trailer up. This side has your right rear exiting facing exhaust. Very, very shiny chrome wheels. Underneath, here's your chassis component detail. Flip it around here. 2009 First Gear Inc., Iowa, USA, Ford, trademarks used under license from Ford Motor Company. Spare tire casted in, your whole exhaust system, obviously your engine, transmission, other components that are modeled. Again, just to get with every review, there's always positives and negatives. To get the negatives out of the way, again, there's no steering. The doors do not open. Positives in terms of functionality, the tailgate does lower, and it comes down pretty flat, as you can see there. And also, another positive is that the hood opens up, and you can see some individually detailed engine and under the hood components that are painted in different colors. Maybe if there's a collector out there that enjoys immense amount of under the hood detail, you'd have a lot of fun with some paint pens, coloring and detailing and perhaps even weathering some of the under the hood components. Good way to spend a Saturday afternoon. As for the crisp decals, we already mentioned the race red license plates, the Super Duties, but even over here you have Ford F-250 diagonally, which I think is a cool look. So there you have it, collectors. A very quick and pretty conclusive review of the First Gear Ford F-250 Crew Cab. Obviously a relatively decent model. Could have had a lot more going for it, but obviously if you are looking for a Ford truck in 1 to 50 scale and perhaps you do not have the financial means to pick up the F-250s from the other brand that I may have mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is a good option for you. Again, they're not horrible. They absolutely are the farthest thing from horrible. It just would have been nice to see perhaps some opening doors and maybe some modeled steering. But again, I'm sure these were made to a certain price point, and perhaps maybe Ford had some input as to what they wanted and what they didn't want with these trucks. That always comes into fruition when you're designing a model and designing a new tooling. As always, I'm Tommy with Diecast Emporium. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think about this truck down in the comments section below. And until next time, take care, be safe. I will see you in the next review.